Animals and nature. Mosquito life in puddles. In the heart of a lush green forest, after a summer rain shower, a large puddle formed. Unseen to many, this puddle became home to hundreds of tiny creatures. Mosquitoes. Each day brought new challenges and adventures for these resilient insects. As the first rays of sunlight touched the puddle, something incredible happened. Tiny, wriggling eggs started to hatch, transforming into larvae. These newborns were called wigglers, and they immediately began their quest for survival. The wigglers feasted on microscopic organisms floating in the water, growing bigger and stronger with each meal. They spent their days feeding, swimming, and evading predators such as dragonflies and fish. After several days of growth, the wigglers shed their skins, a process known as molting. This allowed them to grow even larger and stronger. When the wigglers were big enough, they prepared to transform once more. They wrapped themselves in a silky casing called a pupa and waited patiently for change. After a few days, the wigglers inside their pupae were transformed into adult mosquitoes. They carefully climbed out of the puddle and took their first flight, ready to start the next chapter of their life. The male and female mosquitoes searched for each other, eager to reproduce. Once they found a suitable mate, they mated, passing on their genes and continuing the cycle of life in the puddle. However, not all mosquitoes were kind-hearted. Some females needed blood to lay their eggs and would bite humans, causing itchy welts. It was essential for the mosquitoes to find new sources of water to avoid overpopulating the puddle. Female mosquitoes discovered a new puddle and laid their eggs, ready to start the cycle of life anew. The puddle became home to hundreds more wigglers, starting the process over once more. Not all mosquitoes survived the challenges of the puddle. Predators, parasites, and diseases took their toll on the population. But those who persevered continued the life cycle, ensuring the survival of their species. As the sun set and the day came to an end, the mosquitoes rested, conserving energy for the challenges that tomorrow would bring. They were part of a larger ecosystem, connected to every living thing in the forest, and their survival depended on them adapting to their environment. Today, we learned that mosquitoes are fascinating creatures. They face many challenges in their short lives, but continue to adapt and survive. We also discovered how they connect to other living things in the ecosystem, playing vital roles in the balance of nature.